Kyle, you're Behind Barbecue.
Justin, Steel City BBQ.
And I'm Smitty from Loot N Booty BBQ.
And we're YSB Barbecue.
Let's go, baby.
All right, today we're gonna make Stromboli on the Green Mountain Grill, the Green Mountain Grill pizza attachment.
So basically what we got here is we got some urban slicer pizza dough. So Justin's gonna work with that dough. He's gonna roll it out.
All right, let's throw some ingredients in here.
The onion, pepper, mushroom, great Italian flavors. Gonna roll it up, and that pesto mayo is gonna balance it all out and be nice.
Then we're gonna throw a little Italian seasoning in there.
And a proper Stromboli, you gotta have cheese on it, right? You gotta have
we're
cheese.
throwing the mozzarella at the end. Now we just roll it up, so.
So what he's gonna do now is just get those ends off, seal the ends, and he's gonna cut a couple slits on top.
All right, so now we got the slits. I'll brush it with some olive oil.
A little bit of Parmesan Reggiano, just a little bit on the top.
I'll put it right here.
And then we're gonna take it right into the GMG. So while that Stromboli's going, we got it on the Green Mountain Grill, on the pizza oven attachment at 225. We wanna cook it a little bit lower and slower. While that's cooking, we're gonna put together a quick pesto mayo, bunch of basil here, some nice fresh basil. I'm gonna add this, stems and all, right into a food processor. So I'm gonna add some lemon juice here. We're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil. So we're gonna add 3 cloves of garlic. I got about 2-3 tablespoons of pine nuts here. Parmesan Reggiano in here. I'm gonna add about a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. And that's our basil pesto mayo that we're gonna use for the Stromboli.
Let's go.
Grab a piece with my friends.
Dip it.
Dip it and rip it. Dip up in there. Boys, it's been fun cooking with you today.
Let's go.
GMG does it every time.